Okay, I have my sprouted wheat berries that I had done up last fall. In an airtight container. If you'd like to see me do a video on how to sprout your wheat berries, let me know in the comments below. Alright, and this is my Wonder Mill. I love it. So let's make some flour. Okay, once you're done with this, that one's spent. So a little extra flour for later. So, 4 cups of flour. To start, you've got to have your machine on to the machine has to be on in order for it to start doing the wheat berries. It's real easy to attach. I got my filter in, then you just push it in like so. Make sure that's in good. Alright, it's gonna get loud, so I'm gonna mute you and then come back when it's all ready. And there's your flour. Earlier this morning I put in probably about 2 tablespoons of yellow raisins and probably about 2 of the big figs and about 3 or 4 of the little black figs. Cut them up, put them in here, hot water, let them stewed, and they got this beautiful caramelization. But now I'm going to pour it in my little see it just plumb them up pretty. Now you don't have to add this into yours. I like to add a little different texture and flavor into my sprouted bread. I am going to add two tablespoons of raw honey. That's the honey I used. Okay. And that's how you want it mixed. A nice creamy blend like that. Okay, let's start mixing this together. There's my flour. I got a 1 cup measuring cup. Start off with 4 cups of flour, teaspoon of kosher salt. I might actually put a teaspoon and a half of kosher salt in there. Stir that around really well. Also, I'm going to take a little bit of real nutmeg. You don't have to do this. I just like how it helps with flavor. You just grind some in there. A little goes a long, long way. Let's see, about that much. This is what I pureed earlier, and then I stuck it in here so I could see how much I had 1 1/3 cups. What a well. This is yeast. About 2 heaping tablespoons, and then a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. You can use vegetable oil or whatever you like. I have olive oil on hand. I'm going to put 3 tablespoons in there. Start stirring it up. This is the Amish whisk, bread dough whisk. Switched her over to the mixer now because we just mixed all that up. And now we're going to add the rest of our water in. I'm going to add the full, it was 1 1/3 cup of water. And that way there we can add the rest of the flour in by 1/4 of a cup. We're just going to let it take its time and do what it's got to do. Slowly add it in there. And this is just helping absorb the flour, absorbing the water. Scrape down the sides again. So you just kind of want to help it along. Right now I want the flour to absorb because I don't want a real heavy dough. So I'm going to let this, I'm just going to keep working this and let it absorb some of that water in there. Goodness. Okay, now let's start adding a little bit of flour. Shut it off to do that. So 1/4, 2/4, and 3/4. Let's see if that starts to make a ball. We'll mix that in until it does. Okay, so I've been checking this periodically, and every now and then I'll add just a little sprinkle of flour into it because we want it sticky but not so, you know, where it comes back on your finger a little. So I'm going to add just a little bit more flour as I go, and it's almost done kneading. Then I'm going to stick it in my bowl. Beautiful ceramic bowl out. Take a little bit of olive oil. Kind of run it all around through there, like so. Take my dough out. It is a sticky dough right now, so. So we're just gonna coat it. There we go. So it's all nice and coated, oiled. I have this cotton towel that I got from Grove Collaboration. The link is below. I love it. I wetted it down, shook it out. Just gonna help her keep it nice and moist in there. All right, we'll be back when it rises up. Nice, beautiful rise on it. We're just gonna punch it down. Then we're gonna let it go for another rise. All right, it's been a couple hours. Ooh, the second rise is beautiful. It smells amazing. All right, let me get my hands floured up here. And I'm just gonna push it down. I'm gonna get the air bubbles out. But again, we're gonna just kind of roll it up. And we're gonna do one more rise on it. That's what's adding your flavor. Okay, this is my final rise. Look at how pretty that is. Take some flour on my hands real quick. Push it down. Get some of the air out. Real little light flour dusting. I'm just going to knead it a couple times. I don't want to get all the bubbles out, but some. Now I'm just going to roll them up to a ball. Like a loaf shape, I should say. Cups in it. And I greased and floured my pans. So I was told if you push it towards the side, when it rises, it'll spread out and then rise up. So I'm gonna let them rise. Okay, they have risen beautifully. Look at that. Now I've got just some egg wash with water. And I'm gonna lightly coat it. And I'm gonna do that with all three of them. One I'm gonna leave plain. The other, I'm going to put hulled sesame seeds, and the one I'm going to do is everything but bagel. Seasoning that I got at Trader Joe's. Just like so. And this will go in the oven at 425 until it comes out hollow, probably about 25 minutes, and we'll be back when it's all done. Okay, just took them out of the oven. I'm gonna put some butter on the tops. Hopefully, these pans were $3 a piece. Hopefully I can get the bread out real with ease. But you're just gonna break it away a little. Alright. Look at that. Beautiful loaf of bread. Came out perfect. That is how you make sprouted bread. Now I'm not going to cut into these because this is for this weekend. When people come over, so gotta just take my word on it. It's a nice loaf of bread. All right, everyone. Big hugs from my pantry to yours. Bye.